Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, let's look at this major transfer news from Chelsea. And the first one, the latest about Chelsea to sign a goalkeeper, Maignan. And let's read it from Fabrizio Romano. Yes, the Italian journalist. In fact, Fabrizio, you have to pay me. You have to pay me. The way I'm mentioning your name here, you have to pay me. Let's read it, guys. From Fabrizio, Chelsea have not reactivated Maignan as goalkeeper option in the recent hours or days, and are not planning to do so later in the window. Talks with AC Milan and agents are off since 12 days ago, as Chelsea maintain their confidence in the goalkeepers they have. Yes, guys, that is the information. It means that Chelsea and AC Milan talks about signing Maignan is off, and from Fabrizio, Chelsea doesn't have the aim, the ambition to go back later in the transfer window to sign Maignan, and that they believe in their goalkeepers. And I'm asking Chelsea, Todd Bowley, the sporting directors, who are those goalkeepers we believe on, or we believe? Who are those goalkeepers? Is it Sanchez? Is it Jorgensen? Is it Petrovic? Is it Maignan? Or who are those goalkeepers? Because currently, for me, we don't have goalkeepers. We don't have. Who is our goalkeeper? Who? Because now Petrovic, you are about to sell him. Jorgensen, he will not get the chance. Maresca doesn't rate him. Sanchez, he can't be our goalkeeper. And Maignan, he will go out on loan. So, what kind of goalkeepers Chelsea are talking about? I don't know. Because they said they believe on their goalkeepers. Petrovic, after his fantastic performance, he came and said, give me the number one spot. Because I perform well at Strasbourg. Give me the number one spot. Maresca said no, and the sporting director, they said no, he should come and compete with Sanchez, as if Sanchez is prime Noah or prime Peter Cech, in which someone cannot bench him. No. Even as we said he should come and compete with Sanchez, they are not doing that in Chelsea, because we have Jorgensen, who also want to be on the goalpost to play. But here's the case, Sanchez is not competing with Jorgensen. So what kind of goalkeepers are they talking about? Because currently, we don't have a goalkeeper. Guys, we don't have a goalkeeper. So, if Chelsea will not go back and sign Maignan, then Chelsea should bring a competition to Jorgensen and Robert Sanchez. Our next game, the third game in the Club World Cup, for me, I want to see Jorgensen be on the goalpost. I want to see Jorgensen be on the goalpost, so that it will send a message to Robert Sanchez that he should improve, he should wake up. Or Maresca should put the arrogance aside and go and bring Petrovic. There is a reason why players pick form. Players keep on training to be good. There is a reason why. And the reason is that to always be starting, to be a favorable player, because he is good, he can give the performance. So guys, from Fabrizio, Chelsea will not go back to sign Maignan. They trust in their current goalkeepers. Let me hear from you under the comment section about this. Yes, Chelsea will not go back and sign Maignan. Do you think Robert Sanchez can be the goalkeeper? Do you think Chelsea should bring Petrovic? And do you think Chelsea should bring competition between Jorgensen and Robert Sanchez? Or what is your opinion about this, our goalkeeping situation in Chelsea, guys? Let me hear from you under the comment section. And let's move to another major transfer news. Kolo Muani. Kolo Muani from PSG, France International. Information from France journalists that Chelsea start negotiation with PSG to sign Kolo Muani. Chelsea interested to sign Kolo Muani. Yes, guys, I know this guy, he is not fans' favorite, especially what happened in the World Cup. Yes, the golden, how am I going to describe that golden opportunity he missed? Like a goal that would change everything in world football. This guy missed that opportunity, especially Ronaldo fans. Up to now, Ronaldo fans verse him. Up to now, Ronaldo fans doesn't like Kolo Muani. Yes, they hate him to the last degree. So for that matter, he is not fans' favorite. In the face of the world, Kolo Muani is a bad player. Or in the face of football fans, Kolo Muani is a bad player. But see, me, Mohamed Suleiman and Richman bin Daudi, I will take Kolo Muani. I will bring Kolo Muani to Chelsea today, tomorrow, and tomorrow next. Why? He is 26 years of age, first of all. And he had the experience. The guy is an experienced player. Play Champions League final, yes, he missed that golden opportunity, but there is something. There is something here, and there is a reason why he played in the final. He is not that bad. People are looking at him, or football fans were looking. No. He is not that bad. He is good, and comparing him to even our current wingers, except Neto, who can challenge? Who can challenge? This guy is somehow better than Madueke. Let's speak the honesty. Let's be truthful. So even if you are not telling me that you will not bring Kolo Muani to Chelsea, okay, then who are you bringing to Chelsea? Because our owners said that they won't go and sign the players that they want to sign. Jamie Gittens transfer, we don't know what is hanging. Yes, off and on. Chelsea will want to sign him. He agreed personal term. He watch. They can't sign him. The same as Mohamed Kudus. We want them to go and bring Mohamed Kudus. Up to now, we don't know the position of our sporting directors and the others. Whether they will go and pay the money or they will not go and pay. So if Kolo Muani is there for the take, let's go and take him. Because as we are speaking now, we need that squad depth in that wings. We can't have Neto and Madueke all the time. And currently Neto is trying. And it will come to a time that Neto can't do it alone. He will become tired. Look at the performance, the energy Neto is showing. And Madueke, we all know is Madueke. Off and on. And young George, we can't trust on him. Yes, he's young from academy this season. He was just promoted. So we can't put that heavy duty on George to give us to be the savior, to be the Jesus. No. So, as we are speaking now, Chelsea linked to sign Jamie Gittens. Will come to him. Bayern Munich also interested. Chelsea linked to sign Mali Fofana. Chelsea linked to sign Mohamed Kudus. And who? Another winger, Nico Williams. He is now going to Barcelona. When you look at the transfer, it is not happening. Guys, it is not happening. So, for that matter, let's take Randall Kolo Muani. And he's not bad. As I said, he's not bad as football fans we are watching him or looking at him. So, for me, I will take him. And he is 26. Yes, going to his prime in football, 26, 27, 28. Yes, and Chelsea, sometimes players like this, when they come, they perform. When the expectation is not on them, sometimes, yes, those kind of players, they usually perform in Chelsea. So, guys, for me, that is my humble opinion for Chelsea interested to sign Randall Kolo Muani. So please let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about that also. And let's come to Jamie Gittens. As we are speaking now, information came that Bayern Munich also entered into the race to sign Jamie Gittens. And initially, Jamie Gittens agreed personal terms with Chelsea, 7 years till 2032. Yes, it was left with the fee, the valuation. Dortmund wanted 55 million and Chelsea didn't want to pay. So as we are speaking now, Bayern Munich also interested. Sane left. Yes, so they want to get a replacement for Sane. And I am beginning to panic. Yes, because what Bayern Munich can give to this guy, I mean the wages, we can't give it. I'm telling you, as we all know our Chelsea, they can decide to do everything that to replace Sane. So for that matter, they can go for higher wages for Jamie Gittens. And if they go for higher wages, forget, they will get him. He will go there. Yes. And Bayern Munich, every season they are playing Champions League. Premier League is not easy for your team to qualify for Champions League. And Chelsea, we were once like that. Every season we were playing Champions League. But our recent Chelsea is not a guarantee. It's not a promise. So I am beginning to panic. Chelsea may miss signing Jamie Gittens. And even if Chelsea miss signing him, I won't have a problem with that because there are more good wingers in the market. But where I will have problem is the time Chelsea spend on signing him. At the end, Chelsea will not get him, and a certain team just come within 1 week period, within some days, short days periods, they sign him. That will pains me. That will tell me that our sporting directors and the owners, they don't know what they are doing. Yes, so that will be the only problem for me if Chelsea miss signing Jamie Gittens. The time and the days and the months we spend on him, at the end, someone will come and sign it. By the way, guys, just to inform you that Bayern Munich also entered into the race to sign Jamie Gittens, Chelsea target. And let's come to another defender who is on the list of Chelsea, Maignan, our former player, our academy guy. Now, as we are speaking, Liverpool about to sell one of their defenders, Kwanzaa. And for that matter, if they sell Kwanzaa, they may go for a replacement for Kwanzaa. And Liverpool also have Kehi on their list. Liverpool also have Maignan on their list. The player Chelsea interested to sign. Another problem here. Another problem. Yes. You see, Kehi, he want to leave Crystal Palace. He is good. So he want to go to somewhere he can play competitive football. He can play Champions League football. Football at the highest level. So I'm telling you, it's not about him coming to Chelsea will be the problem. If any team come and pay the money Crystal Palace want. Provided that team is a big team, that team can give him that competitive football, Gueye will go. Gueye will go. So if Liverpool go and pay the money, they will sign Gueye. Yes, he will prefer to come to Chelsea, to come back to Stamford Bridge, to come back to Copenhagen, where he started his football. Yes, but I'm telling you, if Liverpool go and pay the 70 million Crystal Palace want, he will go to Liverpool. So another missing of signing. Another missing of signing, Jamie Gittens, Bayern Munich now in the race. So that is my fear, guys. Chelsea missing Jamie Gittens, and now we're about to miss Gueye. And our defense, we need experience there. We need player there. The CP position, forget. If you want to compete, if Chelsea want to compete, we must go for a center back, experienced center back. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about Jamie Gittens transfer and the defense in Chelsea, guys.